Sooner or later, nearly everybody wonders what the purpose of life is. One young person who felt this way and said, there is no other purpose in life than to live, to have children, to be happy, and then to die. But is that true? That really is. And that ends it all. We need to pause and reflect to ourselves. My friends, co-classmates, and to our teachers. Question yourself. Is there a purpose to life? Is there a deeper meaning? Why we are here living? Once again, Lord is all.